you answer this question asked to 10-year-olds in England for their standardized assessment test, aka their SATs. And if you can't, maybe you need my Key Stage 2 course, link is in my bio. Let's check it out. Now this question is saying, how many 83s go into 8,051? Okay, well we go term by term. How many 83s go into 8? Well it doesn't, because 8 is smaller than 83. So we consider 80. But that's the same problem. 83 does not go into 80. So now we need to think about 805. Big numbers. Okay, well, we need to know the 83 times tables. Well, I know 83 times 10. 83 times 10 is 830, which is obviously too big. I need 805. So let's try 83 times 9. So for that, we need to subtract 83 from 830. We can't do 0 minus 3, so we need to borrow from the 3. It becomes dos. Then it lends the 1. 10 minus 3, 7. 2 minus 8, we can't do it. We borrow. This becomes 7. This becomes 12. 12 minus 8, quattro. And then the 7 comes down. Beautiful plane, by the way. So it goes in 9 times. Yeah. But then we need to subtract this number from what we were dividing into. So we have 7, 4, 7. And now let's subtract. Okay, let me clear this a little bit. Move it slightly to the side. So subtracting, we can't do 5 minus 7. And we can't borrow from the 0, so we're going to have to borrow from here again. 7 gives the 1 over, makes it 10. Now we can borrow from this number, it becomes 9. And this is now 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 9 minus 4, 5. Then 7 minus 7, 0. The next thing we need to do is bring down the 1. And it's up to the students to figure out how many 83s go into this. Okay? Well, there's a couple of tricks we can utilize here. Well, I know it's going to be above 5, because from here, 83 times 5 would be half of this, because 5 is half of 10, which is 415. So I already know this is bigger than 5 times. Well, because this is a 3 and this is a 1, I'm thinking about the 3 times tables, which end in a 1. And that's 3 times 7, okay? 3 times 7 gives me 21. So let's figure out what 83 times 7 is. 21, carry the 2. This gives me 56. Add the 2, 58. Beautiful, mate. And when you subtract, we're left with 0. So it goes in 97 times. Nice. Follow me for more crazy maths content like this.